Taro guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Just got back from Fiji this morning, so straight back into it. Really enjoyed the stay there, but it's good to be back, especially with a lot of the farm chores we need to do. So we had a really good flight, so the day was really good when we left. Sun was back out again, and yeah, it was really good. Our stay there was really good, and just want to go back to Fiji now. But yeah, just prepping the food for the pigs now, and then I will head down to the pig farm. So hope you guys enjoy today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll see you guys soon. I wonder if pigs eat sugar cane. Not sugar cane though. Right there. Maybe good to try. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Alright guys, so it feels good to be back home again. So at least the pigs are eating now, but again they're eating like pigs, you know. Just look at them, just all over it, feet already in the food. Gee, so that's one of the next upgrades we want to do, is actually cement a nice flat floor for the pigs to feed. That way they don't trample all over the food like that, and then spread it across so it's nice and even across the floor. But pigs are loving it. It's good to be back with the pigs. So got them some water. Got to see there. It is getting a bit dark now, so of bats as well. Alright, bit of double reinforcement for the door, and we're done. Oh jeez, these are not the shoes for this lifestyle. But yeah, this is so we began planting this plot. Obviously you had to wait, so you can see started beginning planting. Obviously we had to wait for a bit because we had just sprayed it down with the herbicide, so waiting for the weed to die down. Tia pula is a bit of an issue at the moment because we don't have much. So we're trying to let the tia pula grow a bit. And then get back to planting because they're actually quite small at the moment. But yeah, everything is going well here at the farm. It's good to be back home. Welcome back, guys. We are here Saturday morning. After yesterday when we fed the pigs, actually went to bed straight away. Was a bit tired, so woke up this morning, fed them again. Same menu: papaya, coconut, so'o, bit of banana. But we're just gonna head to the plantation to get some water for the cows, and then check up on the plot that we harvested. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we're here at the plot that we harvested. As you guys can see, most of the taro is now used. So we'll just head down towards that side, and we'll have a better look at that. Alright guys, so finally here. So this was the entire plot we harvested. I showed you guys here. So it was this bit and that bit. So in total, we got about 30 sacks. Each sack weighed about 35 to 40 kgs per sack. So that's about 1 to 1.2 tons of taro that was shipped to American Samoa 2 days ago. So based on this, I think that's about right. If you think about it, the yield per is this is probably a quarter acre. The yield of about a quarter acre is probably 1 ton to 1.2 tons, and then that's selling roughly around, well, we're still trying to negotiate the price at the moment, but it's about 80 to 90 dollars for 23 kilos. So that's about, I don't know, 160 to 180. So times that by 30 sacks, 160 by 30, it's about $2,000 to $3,000 US dollars. So converted to Samoan, that's about 6K per quarter acre. So that's not a bad yield. But it's really nice that we've started doing this, because it was something that we've been planning for a long time. We did opt to try out New Zealand and Australia, but it's just the logistics of the shipments and stuff that's too far, and we don't know the condition of the taro once it arrives there. Whereas American Samoa was just across the road, and yeah, so really good. We're the effort, if you guys could see there. So I guess from here onwards, we're going to have to replant all of this, which is that bolili phase, where we just replant the second batch of taro on the same. So we're hoping before Christmas, we're going to bring up the electric fence again on both these plots. And then after that, we're going to try and plant as much as we can just before Christmas. So there's, I guess, one of the harder things right now is maintaining the market, but it's not much of a challenge, because we do have plantations, as we'll see down there, that'll hopefully sustain the market that we've accomplished. So this, once we plant this, we'll probably give it another 6 to 7 months, but then by that time we would be harvesting the other plots down there. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so as we told you guys, so this is our these plots are about 2 months to 3 months now. Just need to clean them up a bit. This one is probably 1 to 2 months, and then we've got the other one on the side there, that's about less than 1 month. Plots that might be ready to harvest in January there's one down in the back there around that side, and one on the far end over there. So it's right at the back there where you see those bushes are. So that's one of our upcoming plots that should be good for harvest around January, Feb, or even December. So yeah, as I mentioned, guys, that's probably one of the harder things right now, is maintaining the market. But hopefully, that's why we have a lot of expansion projects to expand the farm in the upcoming months. But that'll require, it's going to be a lot of cost going into clearing the land, and then leaving it for this the foliage to decompose. So just finished pouring water for the cows. Just gonna walk alongside the gate to see if I can catch them here, because I'm trying to call out to them but they're not coming, so just gonna check up on them. Alright, so we found them. They're just on the side here, just as I suspected. Took big took. Alright, now we count. So I've just finished counting. All the cows are here. Gonna relax for a bit, but as you can see, the Taro in the background, this plot is about 1 week old now, 1 to 2 weeks old. So yeah, I think we've already planted all of this plot, so we're just that's why we're beginning planting at the back of the house, as I showed you guys there. Then after that we'll move to extending the plots, chopping down more trees, clearing the land, and then planting again, because once these American Samoa markets become more and more established, you know, supply and demand is going to go up. So we have to, I mean, demand's going to go up, so we have to keep up with the supply as well. But yeah, we've actually established 4 of our best varieties now, and that's the one we will be planting. One difficulty is because we, as I mentioned yesterday, we don't have much tiapulas. So it's trying to wait for the lauvais to get just a little bit bigger, and then we'll start planting them as well. But our 4 best varieties now is the Saiko, Samoa Lua, Fusi, and Talovave. So we in the farmer singa mea maka our Talovave, which is that big nice one we usually see, with it's got a whitish greenish flesh. That one's set aside for now, because we're trying to establish if the American Samoa market likes those ones. So there's one right there in the picture, if you guys could see that, one with 1 leaf just to the top of my shoulder. Yeah, right there, that's a Talovave. So that one is going to be set aside for now. We are planting it, but we're just going to wait for a bit. If we get a good review on that, then we're set to go. Teddy. All right. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys these varieties that I just talked about. So this one, before I called it Salangi, I just found out it's actually called Samoa Lua, which is the red one. That's Samoa Lua. This is the thing Fusi. Yeah, this is Fusi right here. This is Talovave. This is the Whama Singamea Maka. And I'll show you a Saiko. And this one is Saiko. So those are our best 4 varieties now. Samoa, Saiko, Fushi, Salangi. Yeah, those are our best varieties. Not our best 4, but those are our best varieties that we've planted. And yeah, we're just excited about you know, the markets that we've established, and hopefully it'll be a good source of income for us, and not only for us but for farmers in our village as well, in our district. You know, because one of the other things, we don't want to hoard all this. You know, we'll probably get other farmers to join if they can supply taro, then we'll share the income with them, or else we can buy it off them. You know, just trying to share the blessings with the other farmers, because I guess that's why some farmers are just not too keen on planting taro anymore, because they don't see the point if you know, the markets are bad and they harvest taro and it just sits. So that's some of the upcoming stuff we'd like to establish. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna chill for a bit here at the farm and then head back home, call it a day. Just about to leave now. Forgot I need to take all the water containers because we'll do a water run tonight. So I just stopped here at one of the plots we harvested because there's quite a lot of leftover from the taro, the tiapula. So one of the important things is waste management, and I'm going to try and see if the pigs, so I'm going to get some for the pigs, and then I'll try and see if the pigs will eat it. So I'm going to chop these up, boil them, and then see if the pigs like it. So if they do, that's one thing we can use, these leftover taro bits, taro tops for the leaves. That's one disadvantage of exporting taro, is because we don't get to reuse the tiapula, as it's mostly chopped off at the top. So there's about an inch left on top. But if we can use this to make pig feed, then that's a lot better use of waste rather than just letting it decompose. Of course, we will let some decompose for the soil, but if we can get pig feed out of it, then it's a bonus. So hopefully this will be a success, because then I can use a lot more. But it's just a small amount just to trial it out. So we're gonna head off back home now. This taro tiapula feed was something I found off of YouTube, so hopefully it works. I see it a lot being used in Southeast Asia, countries like Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand. Filipino. So hopefully it works and it'll be a good alternative for us, because we've actually got a lot more here. And then I'll probably take all of them. I'm gonna come back tonight to bring the water. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's content. It's great to be back home, and it was a great trip to Fiji. I just want to say thank you all again for the support. To all our viewers, our new viewers, our Fijian friends, Tongan, Samoan, South Korean, everybody from around the world who's joined our channel. Really appreciate it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the Samoan perspective of the farming life. I'm happy to make more content for you guys, because you know, it's why not, you know, I mean, we're already doing farming, so why not make content for the rest of the world to enjoy. But that's it from me, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day, a blessed weekend. We'll definitely catch you guys on our cooking episode coming up. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys soon.